Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I purchased the UV Light Advanced from Let's Resin. And what it is, it's UV lights and it's from both sides. So what it does, it lets you cure your resin from both sides with your light, with the lights. It's a great product. I saw it on T and Art. She used it last week, I believe it was, and I immediately went to Let's Resin to order it because I thought that was a great product. And I said, well, let me try this out. It comes with its own little stand, as you can see here, and it connects with the magnetic. Connects with magnets, and I'm going to show you that in a second here. This is what comes in the box. It's your two sides. It has your little thing to plug it in, and your manual, and that's it. And there's lots of lights in there, so it does cure pretty fast. And I'm going to give you a little tutorial to show you how I used it for the first time today. See how all those lights in there? There's lots of lights. And look how easy that connects. It's really amazing. And then it has a little shelf inside. And that goes right in. It's really cool. And then you just take your little plug, put that right into the back of the machine here, and then you plug that right into your outlet. Really easy to use. There's one button on top, and it's for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. And it's really easy to use. You press it once for 2 minutes, you press it twice for 3 minutes, and you press it 3 times for 5 minutes. Not really a lot of instruction. That's it. Just make sure you have your little shelf in there, and you're ready to go. I found working right on the shelf was really easy. I placed it inside and I was ready to go. Really easy. It slides in and out. And the other day I was working with some Resin Crete, and I started this little angel mold, and what I did was I just did the angel part, and you can see it up there in the right hand corner. I did that with Resin Crete, and I thought I would continue on using regular resin with it, but now today that I received this, I figured let me use my UV resin kit that I bought that had some colored resin in it, and I thought that's exactly what I would use today. So right now I'm putting in some clear resin first, and that's the regular resin that I've been using for quite a while, and I'll put all the ingredients down below. And I'm adding a little bit of You're So Fine Diamond Clear Cool Highlight into that. Not a lot, very little, just to give it a little shine. I'm going to mix that up, and you'll see it's just enough to give it a little glitter there, just a little shimmer and shine. And I'm going to pour that first over that first to make that first layer. And I wasn't too sure how this was going to adhere to the Resin Crete. And I was pleasantly surprised at the end. Just make sure that that hit all those nooks and crannies. Okay. Get a few of those bubbles out. That first layer. And being that this was a really sturdy mold, I wasn't worried about picking that up and putting that into my, onto the shelf there. I'm just picking at a few bubbles that I saw. Here we go. Pressing that once for 2 minutes. And that was hard. Yep. And it just took 2 minutes, and that was really great. Now I'm putting some color in here, and I have some green. I think that was the light green. Putting that right around. And I thought this was the purple pink. Putting that back in for 2 minutes. And that's perfect. And let's go on to the next layer. And I thought I would use 2 colors together here at once. And that was red and green. And back into the machine. it's dry. 2 minutes in between seems to do it for all of the layers. Now I'm adding some crushed glass to the last layer for some extra bling. And hopefully this will shine through because all these colors are pretty transparent. Covering this with another last coat of clear resin. And to be on the safe side, I'm going to put that in for 5 minutes. Okay, this is done. Done and done. And can't wait to demold this. So I'm going to do this right away because I am so curious to see Look at that. Isn't she beautiful?
Angels we have heard on high.
Always in my thoughts.
Singing o'er the plains.
I should have filled that in.
And the mountains in
So look how gorgeous that came. All those colors. Just beautiful. Look at that. Look at those sides. And that little bit. Of glass in the back is stunning. She's beautiful. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love it. I just love it. And I love my new Let's Resin curing machine. She was both bottom and top at the same time. I decided that this little saying, because you couldn't see it, I felt the need to maybe cover it up a little. That doesn't really match. I'm going to put some green stones in there. Add a few of these glass. wonder if I could put a little of this, just very. Oh, I didn't even want to do that much.
We have heard on high,
I guess
sweetly
it is what it
singing
is.
for the plains,
Oh yeah, that's not much at all.
and the mountains in reply,
Okay.
echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth.
If you like what you saw here today, please take a moment and subscribe, like, and share this video. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it will make my day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and lots of laughter. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time. Bye-bye now.